Hey guys, we've made it to Monday, and we're gonna watch our do our lesson through the video today. How is Bud transformed by his journey? You just wrote about on your assessment the last focusing question. So now we have a whole new focusing question that's going to follow us for a few lessons. It is, how is Bud transformed by his journey? I thought this was a really neat picture that was taken back during the Great Depression. It looks like these kids are stripping tobacco. So I want you to think, on page 159, Bud says, "I don't know why, but my eyes don't cry no more." Now, when we get to chapter 14, we see that Bud has changed. I want you to take a second and think about it. How have you noticed that Bud has changed in chapter 14? Our cues for this lesson is the focusing question again, how is Bud transformed by his journey? And our content framing question just for this lesson is, what do Bud's actions in this section reveal about his character? So in this section of the book, what does his actions show us about him as a character? We see that Bud is free of the Amoses, and he's free of being in the foster care home. He's making things happen for himself. He's taken his dream of meeting his father, he's taken it into his own hands, and he has finally gotten out of town to try to make his dream come true. So it's here in this part of the book where we're at. It's the choices that he makes to reach his dream that reveal information about him. So I want you just to take a second, some think time. How can action lead to transformation? Maybe you can think of, and I put a transformer on the screen because the word transformation means changing from one thing to another. And that's what the word transformers, that's what they do. They change from the cars to the big robots. So I want you to think about how an action that maybe you've personally made in your life, or you've seen a character do in a movie or in a book, and how it's led them to change and become different people. It could have been something that made someone bitter, but it could have also made someone mature and grow. Your assignment for today is to read chapters 15 and 16 and take the quiz. If you have any troubles whatsoever, make sure you let me know and send me a reminder. Some of you are missing assignments. If you're curious as to what assignments you're missing, I would recommend that you send me a text on Remind or a message on Remind, and I will let you know what you're missing. After 2 weeks, lessons are being removed from Google Classroom, and the 0 will have to stand. So if you have any questions, or just reach out to me and let me know. But you can go ahead and start reading chapters 15 and 16. You can also go to YouTube, and you can search Bud Not Buddy chapters 15 and chapter 16, and you can listen to someone read it to you. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.